When I was just a youngster, a child with conscience clean, life's answers seem so plain to me. But when we venture into the world at large, it seems that things are different indeed. I need to know, why am I drawn to the dark side? I'm so confused and I'm wondering why. It seems like so much fun being bad when they think I'm an innocent lad. They taught me modern manners, taught me to be polite, taught everything they thought I'd need. But I've got burning questions, tough choices facing me. What's my responsibility? Tell me, what's the attraction of the dark side? The big bucks for those little white lies. And being good seems as boring as hell. I feel a pull of the dark side. Lyric of the Brian Parlor games. They're much too tame, but is it insane to be drawn to the dark side? I'm really bored with the good guys. What makes me wanna sin until dawn, even though I know it's wrong? Ice cream, socials, and tiddlywinks. I think it stinks. I'm on the brink of being drawn to the dark side. I'm wide awake in the dead of night. Being good seems as boring as hell. I feel the pull of the dark side. The dark side. I'm in a state of confusion. Kind of a something